So I think the project is done. Here's the final layout. I have my live plants and it's potted media. So these are the water wisterias, and the ones in the back are the Amazon swords. There's two on each side of the water sprite. So I think these plants will be okay. They still gotta adapt to their new environment. I have the pots somewhat covered up. They look like they belong in there, so that's okay. So now this aquarium will be good for a couple of years. Of course, the residents will come and go. I think the oldest fish are in there are one of them is a loach. He's probably around 2008 or so. And the second oldest are these two kissers. They're from 2012. Same year the tank was bought. And everybody else in there are all brand new. You got one of the plackets, placket beta. His buddy's down here. Got a bunch of neon tetras in there. Blue dwarfs, fire grammy. We got the rummy nose. We got the pearl grammies. We got the Cristella tetras. We got the Denison barbs. Several different kinds of angelfish. Golden grammies, blue grammies, opaline grammies. We got Cory catfish in there. We got plecos in there. We got thick lip grammies in there. We got the newest additions, the black angels. Honey grammies. Got the sunsets and the golden grammies, golden honeys. Opaline grammies. Then down here at the platy tank, we got the platies themselves. We got a potted plant in there. And of course, there's a bunch of shrimp in there. And the new canister filters in operation. We got the new sponge filter in there. So that's all good. Speaking of sponge filters, they say sponge filters are ugly and are hard to hide. Well, mine's kind of hidden. You gotta look real good to find it. There it is. Well, you see, it's the bubbles, really. So that's that.